again, it's Paddy here, and we have another 3 of our Heroes of the Storm boxes that we're going to open today. So we're still working on the assumption and hope that Blizzard have just opened a full crate into the box that they delivered to us, but we are uncertain, and we're going to basically work our way through 3 more of these boxes and hope that we don't get any duplicates, and that we do indeed end up with a full set of all 12 of these Funko Mystery Minis Heroes of the Storm, Series 1. There is a wave 2 coming, I think, but these are Wave 1. So open the first box. Blurry Torrin in the background. Get something up quick. So this is another Space Marine. So here's the question: is this a duplicate of the red Space Marine that the red, white, and blue Space Marine we've already got, or is this the standard black Jim Raynor? It's very definitely another Space Marine. Let's find out. Oh, we're in luck! It's Jim Raynor in his proper outfit. Although, to be fair, it's a bit more silver than I was expecting to. Jim's suit is supposed to be black, and this seems to be silver more than anything. That's odd. Okay, so note to self, charge camera before actually doing the video. Let's start the next one. And so I've got the box. See if you can guess. So this is very spiky, so that could be either Arthas, the Witch Doctor, or Diablo. Let's see if it's the Witch Doctor. I'm going to guess it's the Witch Doctor just for the hell of it. Oh, it is the Witch Doctor. It's got these big spiky, well, purple feathers, and he is from Diablo 3. He's got a little shrunken troll head as a fetish, and his little purple dagger. Quite a cool character. I'll admit, I don't play Heroes of the Storm because I've never really been into the whole MOBA genre. Is that that's a baneling as a ornament on his belt? I never noticed that before. Ooh. Right, let's open this third box and get this. Focus, silly camera. Right. Actually, I should move Jim to the front because he's new. The other 3 we had before. Right. Last box. The in-laws dog is chiming in the background. Right. So another bag, and this one's quite large. It's got a big taily thing. This one this could be Tyrael. Yeah, I'd say this is Tyrael. Yeah, it is. So Tyrael is the Angel of Justice in the Diablo franchise. You can see he's got all his glowing, wavy wings. His wings are pure energy, and his complete lack of a face, because it's supposed to be shrouded until later in the Diablo franchise, where he loses his wings and everything falls over. The rest of the toys in the background fall over. So we're still in luck. We're still going well. We're 6 for 6 so far. So it's looking very much like we do stand a chance of getting our full set. But again, in order to find out that, you're going to have to come back to our next video when I'll open 3 more of them. So subscribe and you'll get told when that is. And leave a comment below if you want me to give any more details about these characters and the games they come from, because I am a bit of a Blizzard fanboy and know quite a bit. And with that, Bye.